with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Waiting for this. Dear Sammy.
I was so excited getting ready for beauty school. I just had to put on my shoes when suddenly they were all gone. Aww. I can't go anywhere barefoot.
Oh, my feta. All her shoes are missing? Sue, Barbie really needs that help.
Then let's do it, Sammy. We can't let Barbie down.
Awesome. I'll go and tell her the good news.
Hey, friends. Thanks for helping. So, where do we start? Come here, girlfriend. Have a seat for now.
So Sue asked me to find a balloon. This looks like one. Now how do I...
Stop right there. We won't blow them. We'll do this. See? Pretty simple, right? Now, we'll put it on Barbie's foot and make the gel base coating. Next, we need a UV lamp. Just a few seconds are enough. We need to make a cut right here to be able to take it off. Take out the boot mold, like this. And paint the whole thing!
Use this for the sole!
Good thinking, Sammy. Our boot needs some decorations, too. Doesn't it look adorable? Here's the heel.
Sue, I made the second boot!
Well done! And I really like the design you've chosen. Nice fashion sense.
Look what else I made! Isn't it super cool?
Oh, it is super cool! And now, it's super sparkly too! Here comes the heel! And a pair of fancy boots for Barbie is ready. Let's keep going! Now, we'll make something pretty cozy. Oh, I love my new shoes! So fashionable. Hi,
Hey.
Did you see my new shoes? Pretty cool, huh?
Actually, they are so last week. Boo!
What? It can't be!
Hey, what's going on here? What is that flying around? What, look! Sue, this thing is so cute!
I agree! Hey guys, can I try my new shoes already? I can't wait to shine. Huh? Hey, these are slippers! They don't match my trendy look at all. Don't worry, Barbie. The next shoes are gonna blow your mind.
Let me paint everything, Sue! Rainbow, rainbow, share your colors. Haha, that's better.
Wow, good job, Sammy! These are the heel and the sole for some pretty hip shoes. Now I will draw laces and decor elements. And this is what we've got! It's just like they came out of some fashion show runway.
Let's not stop at that.
All right, the base is done. Now, soles, heels, decor, and some more decor. Another pair of stylish shoes is ready. But we're not finished yet. Let's make sure it holds tight.
Not too tight, though.
Oh, of course not. Here's the decor. And the result? To make the next pair of shoes, we'll need some Scotch tape.
You mean this hula hoop? Show me your skills, Barbie. Here, don't be shy.
Ouch! Okay, here I come. Ugh. Oh, I am so bad at this. Oops! Got it! I need just a little piece. Now, watch me closely. Let's check it out. Oh, look! It's a totally transparent wedge heel. Now, let's make some mermaid-style shoes. Ha! That's the right shape.
Sue, you're gonna need this!
That's right! Thank you! Just one more, and done! They look so shiny, right? Awesome!
Sue, what can we do with these?
Give me a second. I need to think about it. Or maybe magic can help? Would you just look at this super fancy pair?
It's super cool, Sue! Come on, I can't wait to see what you will make next!
Brace yourself, Sammy. We're going to make butterfly shoes. First, we need to add some color to the base. We'll use black for starters.
Huh? A butterfly as a shoe? Sounds unreal, but kinda interesting.
Yes, and I love this color. It's like being up in the sky.
Did you just say sky? I wanna fly too!
Sorry, but you can't fly, and I really need you here. So let's better let these shoes fly up high. Haha!
At least I can show off my fashion design skills.
That's true.
Check out what I've made, Sue.
Sammy, you're a genius. And here is the result. You know, my new boots. They are a big trend now. Oh, wow. Where did you get them? I couldn't find them anywhere. Oops, the class is about to start. Wait for me.
Are they gone? Hey, that's my favorite drink! Oh, what luck! Haha, got it! Yay!
I want to make trendy high-ankle boots for Barbie, but I don't have anything for the heel.
How's it going, Sue?
That's exactly what I need.
Huh?
Voila! Perfect! Here comes the decoration magic. Wow, these boots are the best, aren't they?
Sue, I found a red shoe for you!
Thanks! We can turn these into a whole new shoe. Green looks good with red.
Looks kinda watermelonish.
Exactly! Now we have a really cool and juicy pair of shoes. You know what else Barbie loves? Lipstick. It's gonna be so creative.
Hold on! Don't tell me you're planning to make lipstick-shaped shoes!
That's exactly what I'm doing right now, and it's almost ready.
Sue, I really wanted to help and already made the second shoe!
Sammy, I admit it. We are the best team ever. So here's the base for the next pair of shoes. This opening is very important. Here comes my favorite shiny nail polish. Careful. Huh! And it's done. So easy to make and so satisfying to look at. I wish I had shoes like this.
It's good that we have lots of shoe ideas.
You're right. Now, let's make some Crocs. Follow my lead, guys. It's pretty easy. We're almost there. Done. Barbie is gonna be crazy about them.
Sue, focus! We're at the finish line!
Okay, Mr. Big Boss. I am as focused as I can ever be. This yellow color looks so refreshing. Plus, these bright stickers make everything even better.
Oh, yes! I love the way you're thinking, Susie.
Me too. So, are we done with my shoes yet? Not yet, Barbie. I have just a couple more ideas. So, be patient.
Sue, I found these rainbow soles.
Great timing, Sammy. And here's the result. But we can't let this go to waste.
You're right! Give me that!
Just be careful, okay?
Voila! What do you say?
You work really fast, Sammy. And our last pair of shoes for today is ready. Oh, wow! Guys, These shoes are amazing! So fancy! I'm in love with all of them! I can wear a new pair every day! Ooh, I want to try these ones! They look so stylish! And a pair of new slippers too? Amazing! Oh, it's time to go to school now! Hi, we're classmates, right?
Hey, what's on your feet? I really love your shoes.
Sorry, it was me. I took your shoes before. It's fine. Take some of these. They look way cooler. Really? You're okay with that? Sure, I've got plenty. Friends should share. Haha, thank you so much. You are the best. I'm glad you're happy. Let's go to class. Barbie will be okay in the new school. Thanks for being with us today, guys. See you soon.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, people. Bye-bye.
Oh dear, excuse me. Hello, I'm Sid.
Oh, hello, I'm Polly. I'm on work experience.
Oh, good. Have you done any painting before?
I did some nice flowers in nursery once.
Hey?
Yeah, they were put on the wall. Best painting of the week.
Oh, no, not that sort of painting. I mean painting and decorating.
Oh, no. But I'm a quick learner. Look, I can help.
Whoa, that was close. We've got to be careful with this vase. It's very, very precious. I'm going to put it away, okay? Whoa! Oh, no.
It's a bit broken. Sid?
Mrs. Brown. Mrs. Brown.
Is everything okay? I thought I heard a smashing noise.
Oh, yes, no, everything is okay, Mrs. Brown. Just moving things around. You know, oh, what a lovely blue coat. You weren't wearing that before. Anyway, plenty to do. Must get on. Thanks for stopping by.
Right.
Right, we better get this mended before Mrs. Brown comes back. You pick up the pieces, I'll get the glue.
But it is very broken. I think there's a bit missing. Where is it? Maybe it's gone into here.
Polly? Oh, sorry, please don't hurt me.
It's only me.
Oh, you gave me a fright. Okay, pass me the pieces. I think I'll put it back together. Hold on, where did I put the glue?
Maybe you dropped it when you saw me.
Yeah, but where did I put it?
What?
I think I know where I put the glue.
Oh, me. You dropped it on the chair.
Yes, I know. Come on, help me pull it off. Ready? And pull! Oh!
I let go of the chair by mistake.
You don't say.
You fell over.
Yep, that's right, I did. Do you want to give me a hand? Thanks. Okay, I think we should get finished, don't you?
I think you're right.
Let's play.
Right, let's start with the wallpapering. Lord Poshington wants one wall papered, and it's that one.
I've never wallpapered before.
Neither have I.
Yeah, but how hard can it be? You just put some sticky stuff on the back and hung it up.
I think there's a bit more to it than that. Come on, let's glue this wallpaper, and then we can put it up on that wall. There we are. Oh. Just roll that out and wipe. Oh, right. Hold on. I got this. Yep, that's... oh, no. The paper keeps rolling up. But I need the paper to stay open. Hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? That's what this is for. Of course. There we go. Perfect. Okay, Polly, let's get to work. Great, that's done. Right, what we need to do is stick it to the wall. Okay, Polly, you guide me to the wall.
Okay, so that's it. Keep coming. This way, that's it. Keep coming. Bit more. Right, here.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Stop it to me.
Sorry, Polly. We'll get this out of you. This isn't going very well, is it?
You can say that again.
Right, come on, let's start again.
Right.
Let's play.
There we are, job done, finished. I think it looks great. Right, we better do the other walls. We'll clean them first. Let's get the cloths. Hold on.
What?
The storeroom. It should be around here somewhere. Where's the door? Polly,
Yes.
you know when you were sticking the paper?
Yes.
Did you notice anything on the wall?
Like what?
Like a door?
Yes, there was one just here.
You've covered it with paper, haven't you?
Yes, sorry, Sid.
Oh, we'll have to cut around it to get the door out.
Sorry, Sid.
Oh, never mind. We'll never get this job finished.
Let's play.
There, now we have a door and we can get into the storeroom. Right, let's carry on. Oh, I'll start by washing the walls first.
And I'll do the door.
Thanks. Oh no, there's a hole in this wall. What am I going to do? Hold on, I remember. Do you? Before painting walls, decorators fill all the holes they find with filling plaster so that the surface is nice and smooth. I need to fill this hole with plaster before I paint it.
Let's play.
Done. Hole filled. Right, we need to get a move on. While the plaster's drying, we can varnish the floor.
Okay, I'll move the sheets. Oh.
What happened?
Pulled at the sheet and it ripped.
Oh no. It got stuck on a splinter. We can't varnish the floor with lots of splinters in it. It's too rough. What are we going to do? Hold on, I remember the U. A decorator will sand a wooden floor to make it smooth before painting it with varnish. We need to sand the floor to make it smooth. Mrs. Brown said that there's a sanding machine in the storeroom. Yes.
Let's play.
There we are. This should do the trick. One sanding machine. Whoa, fantastic. Oh, excuse me, please, Polly. That's it. Oh, it's making the floor nice and smooth.
It's a bit slow, though.
Yes, you're right. It could do with going a bit faster. Hold on. There's a button here. Maybe that's the go faster button.
Hello, Sid.
Hello, Polly.
It went a bit fast, didn't it?
Yes, it did, didn't it? Oh, dear.
Let's play.
Look at that. The floor is completely sanded and smooth and ready to varnish.
Well, that's one way of doing it.
Yes, let's start varnishing in the middle and work our way out. Here you go.
Ready?
Let's do it. Nearly there. Let's see how we're doing. Look, Polly, we're nearly done. Hold on.
What?
If I step out here, I'll be standing on the wet varnish.
Oh, same here.
We can't do that. We'll stick to the floor. You know what this means, don't you?
What?
We're stuck here till it dries.
Oh, no. Let's play.
Oh, yes, again. Oh, it's dry. Polly. Polly. Whoa, that floor drying took ages. Now we're really, really late.
Sid?
Mrs. Brown. Ah, Mrs. Brown, lovely to see you.
Ah, Sid, I came to see how you were getting on. Are you finished?
I'm not actually finished.
May I see?
Yes, of course you can, but not right now because I want to keep it as a surprise.
Surprise, eh?
Yes.
Well, as long as it's finished in the next few minutes.
Yes. Polly, wake up.
Oh, good morning, Sis. Oh, the floor's dry.
Yes, hello, get up. Lord Poshington is on his way. We need to get this job finished.
Very, very quickly.
Okay, don't panic, don't panic. If we work very hard and very fast, we will get this job done.
Right, you're on.
Okay, let's go.
Let's play.
Fantastic, we did it just in time.
Oh, hold on. That bit still needs painting.
Allow me. This should do it. There. You can't beat swipey paint.
Hello?
Lord Poshington, quick, put that in the storeroom. No, that.
Oh, hello, young man. Who are you?
I'm Sid, the decorator.
Sid the decorator, eh? Is the room finished?
It certainly is.
This is very good. You have done very well. I helped too.
My assistant, Polly.
Oh, well done to you too, Polly. But wait a minute.
What?
Where's my vase?
Oh, I broke it.
Did you now?
Yes.
Well, that's very good to hear. That nasty old lump of china. I've been meaning to throw it away for ages. Now I must go and greet my party guests. Well done to you, Sid. Well done to you, too, Polly. You made a great team.
Yeah. Thanks very much, see you. Well, we did it, but we wouldn't have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. A decorator uses dust sheets to cover everything to make sure paint doesn't drip where it isn't meant to go. They fill holes with filling plaster to make things nice and smooth. And they also sand a wooden floor to make it ready for varnishing. Well, I think it's time we went home.
Are you off, Sid?
Certainly am. Lord Poshington said he loved our work and thought we made a great team.
You certainly did. Well, goodbye, Sid.
Oh, just one more thing before I go. Can I take this pole with me?
A souvenir to remember your adventure, I guess.
Sort of. I'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye, Polly.
Bye, Sid. Let's play.
Can't quite reach. Oh,
Hey, Rebecca, I have had so much fun.
good.
What have you been doing?
Well, I've been trying to get this ball out, but I can't quite reach.
Oh, maybe this can help. Try hooking it out with this.
Got it.
Here it is.
Brilliant.
Playing Painters and Decorators was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
Playing dummy is fun, and I count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I play superheroes, I pretend I have special powers. Saying ours is fun, and I do like this. Hoot, hoot.
Let's play.